Do you want to become the talk of the town in your city? Are you searching for a unique food business? Do you want to start India's first truly hybrid cafe? Welcome to D. Hellington by Heli and Chili, the disruptor in the food industry that has already set 4 Guinness World Records. D. Hellington are not just local, they are internationally recognized and their trademarks are registered in India, USA, UK, Australia, and Canada. D. Hellington has been awarded the title of India's most innovative cafe chain. Plus, in 2024, the brand proudly unveiled the world's biggest Olympic wall to salute our national heroes. This is a proven brand, built for serious scaling and viral success. So why should you choose D. Hellington's franchise? It's all because of the magic of the D. Hellington's hybrid cafe model. They don't just compete with one big brand, they compete with all the major cafe brands. D. Hellington offers the best pizza, coffee, waffles, shakes, and much more, all in one place. This is a 365-day evergreen business with high margins and a menu that's perfect for every age group. Get ready for the wow factor. D. Hellington served the world's longest fries, a full 1 foot. The world's first coffee, burger, and mocktails where your name is written in 3D. And the world's coldest coffee, which is served in a giant 1 foot ice cube. World's first zero gravity pizza. Tallest mocktail with smoke bomb. But innovation doesn't stop here. They bring you 6-in-1 pizza, Kulhat Desi pizza, and the unique burger pizza. For snacks, pizza fry stick, Maggie balls, and the Italian rectangle pizza. And for desserts, fried ice cream balls, 6-in-1 ice cream pops, and the classic sizzling brownie. Plus, there are waffle Maggie sticks, edible ice glass jamun shots, magic blast shakes, and the famous volcano sandwich with a cheese burst. Both veg and non-veg menu options are available. And now, the biggest attraction, the world's most expensive fries. These are served with a pure silver bowl and silver fork, with real edible gold leaves, a Himalayan mountain water bottle, and a magic fire surprise reveal. This dish uses India's most expensive tomato sauce, Korean salt, and Portuguese piri piri. With a $300 price tag, this is not just a dish. It's a built-in viral marketing machine right on the menu. D. Hellington's biggest plus point is their true chefless model. Their virtual cafe chef tablet device guides staff using voice and visuals for all recipes. Any unskilled staff, even a first-time entrepreneur or a housewife, can be fully trained and run the cafe smoothly in just 2 days. This is a simple, total electric concept with 0% wastage. They provide assistance for the best European theme cafe and club-like cafe setup, which gives customers an infinity experience and viral selfie spots. The head and platter illusion selfie point gives a very amazing experience. And their marketing is absolutely revolutionary. From the 9 rupee burger offer, where the company covers the entire expense, to food blogger invites, Gen Z bhajan events, coffee rave parties, stranger coffee meets, and the viral gentleman's treat. They bring customers directly to your doorstep. They give you complete assistance, practical and digital training, full cafe setup support, all necessary machinery, and raw material supply. With high return on investment, low space requirement, 300 to 500 square feet, and a need for just 2 to 3 staff, your path to success is absolutely clear. So stop waiting and start innovating. Start a unique food business with India's most innovative cafe brand, D. Hellington. Download the full franchise PDF right now and launch your success story.